I'm studying Hebrew. Ha Haishi
Haish.
Haish. Why I said Haishi? Because there's no vowel. So Haish, meaning the man.
What do you mean there's no vowel? What are you talking about?
This one, I said Haishi. Here.
There is a vowel. It's right there. Here, yo.
Yeah, I know.
Haish.
Yeah, I said Haishi. Right? I said Haishi.
I don't
Haishi.
know. You're making up words.
Yeah, that's why I said, oh, yeah,
Uh,
there is no
All right.
vowel at the end.
Okay. Haish is the man.
Haish. Yeah, Haish. Haish is the man. And babait, meaning in the house. Babait in the house. Ashi is the man. Haish is the man. Babait in the house. He he
Ha.
uh,
Say that
yeah,
for me.
yeah, I already said that. I said ear ear
Yes.
ear
Ha'ir.
Ha'ir. Ha'ir is the city.
Yes.
Ha'ir.
Erase your marker.
Okay. It is what is this? Bav. So an a vav, right? This one,
Yes.
the first
Vav. Vav.
vav,
Vav.
vav bait. So vav,
Ba
vav,
ba bai.
oh, vav. Why? What's the use of this? This is the
That's and. Vav is and.
oh oh my goodness. Yeah. Vav babait. Vav babait meaning and in the house.
Mhm.
And in the house. You know what? In Tagalog, this seems like uh 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 babait in our language sounds like kind. Kind is mabait. Mabait means kind in our language, Filipino, mabait.
Okay.
So it's the same pronunciation, babait. Mabait. Babait means and in the house. Babait. Okay. This one is now I know this is ace and uh and vav vav wait okay vav the 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 I forgot already. Turn it.
Vav direct.
Bob the this one is the Bob direct and a road. Bob direct. Bob direct. And Vav hey Vav hey
That's ha. Vav ha.
Vav this is confusion. How can I know that the vowel is if there's no dot there?
That ha
Uh,
is a the. That's why.
okay. Vav ha Shrek. Shrek.
Sultan.
Shul, Sultan. Vav ha Sultan. Vav ha Sultan. Okay. Vav Hashaltan. And the table. So, oh, how did you do that? Okay.
I moved it.
Okay. Oh my goodness. There is Vav. V Malek. Vimalek.
Yes.
Yay! Vimalek. Oh my goodness, I only have two. Vimalek and a king. Vimalek means and a king. Okay. My goodness. Where? Number 8. I always forgot this one.
Iron.
Oh, iron. Iron is have this one. Are all, because this is Lamek. So all Hashil. What is this table?
Al Hashulkan.
All. How is that ka? This is hay.
This is a K.
Ha.
This is not a hay.
This one. How about this one?
Al Hashakan.
Oh, okay. Wait. This one is ha. Okay. Hashilkan. Because the verb become n at the end.
That's a final noon.
Yeah, the final noon. Yeah, the final noon. So how she can, how she can, how she can. All Hashalkan. English is on the table. All Hashalkan. All Hashalkan. My goodness. Oh Lord, please. I hope I will not forget what I learned. And this one is Vav. Silent. So Vara.
Va'ata.
I thought this one is silent.
It is, but it has a vowel underneath it. You just can't see it.
How can I know? Oh my goodness.
It's just memory. It's just memory. All the letters. Look, ha, shal, kan, ata. Just remember. Just for right now, just think in your head. Make a ah sound at the beginning of a word. Okay.
Okay. Hashalkan.
You're not on Hashakan.
Oh.
You're
What's this?
Va'ata.
Va'ata, because this one is, what letter is this?
Tav.
Tav. Vata. English is and you. Number 10. Ha Hasher.
Isha.
My goodness, why I always forgot? Haisha. This one is Haisha. Because this one is like an H, like Sarah. Right?
Yes.
So Haisha. English is the woman. Haisha. 11. Vire.
Va'al.
Va all, va'ol, he, ha,
Sefer.
Oh yeah, hasifer, hashifer, hashifer.
Ha-sefer.
Huh?
Ha-sefer.
Yeah. This one is ha, right? Ha-fur. Hashifer.
Ha-sefer.
Ah, not she. Hasifer. My goodness gracious. All hasifer. All hasifer. Not hashi.
Ha-sefer.
Va'al hasifer. Va'al hasifer. Hasifer. Va'al hasifer. English is and on the book. And on the book. Baal Hasifer. Hasifer. Baal Hasifer. Baal Hasifer. Keish. What?
It's a bait, Janet. Look at the butt.
Yeah, I always forget. Baish. Baish.
Ba'ir. This is an ayin. Ayin is silent. Ba'ir.
Ba'ir. Ba'ir means in the city.
Right.
Ba'ir.
Okay, that's where we're gonna stop for now.
Yeah, so difficult.
It's okay. It's all right. You can just watch the video over and over, and that will help you learn it. Okay.
Yeah, I will review all the. You have
All right.
playlist. You put it in playlist, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Tell the audience what they can do.
Oh, okay. Hi guys. Thank you so much for studying with me, and I thank God for your patience. And please, if you're going to support this ministry, please subscribe and share this to others. Enable them to learn also biblical Hebrew alphabets or biblical Hebrew words. And yeah, keep this ministry in prayer. Bye-bye.
God bless.
God bless.